In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit tracks in Garmin Basecamp with ease and precision. Garmin Basecamp is a fantastic software tool for outdoor enthusiasts, allowing you to manage and edit your GPS data efficiently. So, whether you're prepping for an adventurous hike, a cycling trip, or any outdoor activity that requires tracking, this guide will help you fine-tune your routes to perfection. Let's start by learning how to edit track points using the list view. First, you'll need to double-click on the track you're interested in. This action will open the track's properties window, giving you an overview of its details. Now, to make any changes to the individual track points, simply head over to the point you wish to edit. If you need to eliminate an unnecessary or incorrect point, just right-click on it and select Delete. This is handy for cleaning up your track, ensuring it only includes the most pertinent data for your journey. But what if you need to duplicate or move a point? No worries, that's simple too. Just right-click again, and you'll find options like Copy and Paste. This allows you to duplicate essential points or adjust their location on the map. Next, let's move on to filtering track points. This step is crucial if you want to simplify the track or reduce the data for convenience. Open the track once again and then select either individual points or use the Shift key to select a range. Once you've made your selection, go ahead and click on Filter. Filtering helps you refine your track by adjusting settings such as time intervals, distance, or even the maximum number of points you'll allow on your track. Filtering your track is like fine-tuning an instrument. It optimizes your data for better accuracy and usability. However, a wise practice is to always save your original track before applying any filters. This way, you preserve a backup in case you need to refer back or make further adjustments in the future. These steps might seem a bit detailed, but following them closely will allow you to manipulate your tracks with precision and ease. Editing track points and filtering data might seem like small tasks, but they significantly impact your navigation experience. With these skills, you can ensure that each route you plan is perfectly tailored to your needs, leading to more enjoyable and hassle-free adventures. Now that you know how to make the most out of your Garmin Basecamp track editing features, you can hit the trails with confidence, knowing your GPS data is in top shape. Thanks for joining me today, and happy exploring.